Universal Immunization Program comes under National Health Programs in India to improve the immune system against diseases. In today's class, discussing about Universal Immunization Program, brief history, and their various vaccines used under immunization program and their major objectives of Universal Immunization Program. UIP Universal Immunization Program is launched by the Government of India in 1985 under the part of Child Survival and Safe Motherhood Program in India 1992. In 1978, introduced the expanded program of immunization. It can be rechanged in 1985, that is Universal Immunization Program. Before it can be called as expanded program of immunization. Under Universal Immunization Program, major diseases are prevented by using this immunization. So this program is called as universal. This program is implemented in various phases in all districts of India. The Universal Immunization Program was introduced in 1978 by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Before it can be called as expanded program of immunization. Later in 1985, it can be modified into Universal Immunization Program. It can be implemented in phases manner in our country in 1989 to 90. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and Government of India provide several vaccines to the infants, children, and pregnant women to this universal immunization program. Immunization is a process in which a person is made to immune or resistant to an infectious disease by the administration of vaccines. By the administration of vaccines through immunization program stimulates the body's own immune system to protect the person against infectious causing agents producing diseases. So immunization is a major role in prevention of various types of diseases in human body. Universal immunization program, it includes in 1978 expanded program of immunization is introduced. To this program, smallpox can be eradicated and introduce the various types of vaccines. BCG, DPT, oral polio vaccine, and typhoid vaccines can be introduced. In 1985, it can be renamed as a Universal Immunization Program. In Universal Immunization Program, measles disease also can be added. In 1986, technology mission on immunization can be launched and monitoring of infants immunization programs. In 1990, vitamin A is added in immunization program. It is a supplement. In 1992, introduced the Child Survival and Safe Motherhood Program. In 1995, introducing polio immunization days. In 1997, reproductive and child health program can be introduced. In 2005, Reproductive and Child Health Program and the National Rural Health Mission can be developed. In 2011, introducing a new vaccine, monovalent hepatitis B vaccine, and also containing pentavalent vaccine containing DPT, hepatitis B, and HAB vaccines can be introduced. In 2014 to 15, introducing inactivated polio vaccine and launching Mission Indradhanush. In 2016, rotavirus vaccine can be launched in all over country by 2019 to 2020. In 2017, measles rubella vaccine can be introduced and also launching of pneumococcal conjugate vaccine. These are the various milestones under universal immunization program by implementation of various types of programs and also discovery of various types of vaccines. In immunization program, develop the various types of vaccines for prevention of 12 diseases like tuberculosis, diphtheria, whooping cough, tetanus, polio, measles, hepatitis B, diarrhea, Japanese encephalitis, rubella, pneumonia, and pneumococcal diseases, and also hepatitis B and pneumococcal diseases were added in 2007 and 2017 in Universal Immunization Program by some vaccines against diseases are introduced in Universal Immunization Program. There are BCG vaccine, DPT vaccine, oral polio vaccine, measles vaccine, hepatitis B vaccine, tetanus toxoid, Japanese encephalitis vaccination, and HIV containing pentavalent vaccines. These are the vaccines developed under Universal Immunization Program. Some type of diseases which are protected by vaccination under Universal Immunization Program like diphtheria, pertussis, or whooping cough, tetanus, polio, tuberculosis, measles, hepatitis B, and Japanese encephalitis, and Haemophilus influenza type B. These diseases are protected by giving vaccines under Universal Immunization Program. BCG vaccine. BCG means Bacillus calmette-guerin vaccine. It is given to the infants to protect the tubercle meningitis and disseminated TB in infants. BCG vaccine is given at the birth or below the 1 year of infants. BCG vaccine is given intradermal injection in left upper arm. OPV, oral polio vaccine. It gives children to protect the from poliomyelitis. It is given at the birth at 0 dose and 3 doses given at infants having 6, 10, and 14 weeks. A booster dose can be given at the age of 16 to 24 months in between. Oral polio vaccine can be given in the form of drops. It can be given in 2 drops by oral route. Hepatitis B vaccine protect the children from infection caused by hepatitis B virus. It can be given at the birth and also if in case of it can be given in within 24 hours. Subsequently, three doses are given at 6th month, 6th week, 10th week, and 14th week in combination with DPT vaccine and HIB by using pentavalent vaccine. These hepatitis B vaccine can be introduced through IM injection at anterolateral side of the mid-teeth. Pentavalent vaccine. It is a combination of five vaccines. By the administration of pentavalent vaccine, children are protected from five diseases: diphtheria, tetanus, pertussis, Haemophilus influenza type B, and hepatitis B diseases. Pentavalent vaccine can be given three doses at 6th week and 10th week and 14th week of the age. It can be given in intramuscularly on anterolateral side of the mid-teeth. Rotavirus vaccine. It can be protect the children from and also infants from rotavirus producing diarrhea. This can be given in three doses at 6th week and 10th week and 14th week of age of children. This can be given in liquid form. 5 drops of liquid vaccine or 2.5 ml of vaccine can be given in oral route. Pneumococcal conjugate vaccine. It protects the children from and also infants from bacterium Streptococcus pneumonia. This can be given by primary dose and followed by booster dose. The primary dose of polypneumococcal conjugate vaccine can be given at 6th and 14th week of age, and booster dose can be given at 9 to 12 months of the age of infants. Polyvalent pneumococcal conjugate vaccine given as intramuscular in anterolateral side of the mid-teeth by combination of PCV vaccine and pentavalent vaccine. There are using opposite side of the teeth can be used for injection of polyvalent vaccine and pneumococcal conjugate vaccine for children and infants. FIPV. It is a called as a fractional inactivated poliomyelitis vaccine used for improve the protection against children's poliomyelitis. It contains two fractional doses given at 6th week and 14th week of children's, given by intradermal injection to the right upper arm. Another vaccine, measles and also called as MR vaccine, used for MR vaccine, protect the children from measles and rubella infections. The first dose of measles or MR vaccine can be given at after completion of 9 months to the 10 months. It is also second dose can be given at 16 to 24 months between age. Measles or MR vaccine can be given subcutaneous injection in right upper arm. JE vaccine, Japanese encephalitis vaccine, protect the children against Japanese encephalitis. It can be given in two doses. The first dose of Japanese encephalitis can be given at after completion of 9 to 12 months of age, and the second dose can be given to the children's the age in between 16 to 24 months. It can be given subcutaneous injection in the left upper arm, and killed vaccine can be given to the intramuscular injection in anterolateral aspects of the mid-thigh. DPT booster. It is given to the children to boost the immune system against diphtheria, pertussis, and tetanus. It can be given at the month of 16 to 24 months of age as a first booster dose, and second booster dose of DPT vaccine can be given in the age of 5 to 6 years of the children. The first booster dose of DPT can be given in intramuscular injection in anterolateral side of the mid-thigh in left leg, and the second booster dose of DPT vaccine can be given intramuscular injection route through the left upper arm. The tetanus and adult diphtheria vaccine. It is a combination of vaccine used for protect the children against tetanus and diphtheria. The TT vaccine can be replaced with TD vaccine. TD vaccine can be administered to the adolescents in the age of 10 to 16 years of age, and also given to the pregnant women for the protect the children against harmful infections. The TD vaccine can be given in the early ages of pregnancy, the first dose, and fourth week after TD1. Second dose is of TD and TD2 can be given. The TD booster dose is given to the pregnant women also receiving two TD and TD doses in pregnant within the last 3 years. This TD vaccine, tetanus and adult diphtheria vaccine can be given intramuscular route injection in the upper arm. Some diseases which are protected by the under universal immunization programs are diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, polio, tuberculosis, measles, hepatitis B, and Japanese encephalitis, and meningitis and pneumonia. These are the diseases which are protected by vaccination undergoing universal immunization program. National immunization schedule give the brief discussion about the schedule of various types of vaccines. BCG vaccine, Bacillus calmette-guerin. It is a lyophilized vaccine used for protect the children from tuberculosis, given in intradermal route at the age of first year. The second one is oral polio vaccine. It will protect the children from polio. It given in oral route. It can be divided in 5 doses. Hepatitis B is a liquid vaccine. Protect the children from hepatitis. It can be given in intramuscular route. It having 4 doses. Diphtheria and pertussis and tetanus toxoid liquid vaccine. It can be given in intramuscular route having 5 doses. Measles vaccine given in subcutaneous route. It is used for administered in 2 doses. Tetanus toxoid vaccine. It is a liquid vaccine given to the adolescents. It can be given in intramuscular route. It can be given at 2 divided doses. It can be also given to the pregnant women. Japanese encephalitis vaccine can be given in only selected areas or districts having high prevalence of encephalitis. This can be given in subcutaneous route. It can be given in 2 divided doses. And last one is HIB, diphtheria, pertussis, and tetanus and hepatitis B vaccine. available in liquid form. It will protect the children against HIB, pneumonia, and HIB meningitis. It can be given in intramuscular route, and it will can be given at three divided doses, three divided doses at 6th and 10th and 14th week of age. HIB means Haemophilus influenza type B vaccine. These are the various vaccines used for children to protect the various types of diseases. The major goal of universal immunization program is to reduces the morbidity and mortality rate due to vaccine preventable diseases through providing high quality immunization services to the children and adolescents at particular time. The major objectives of universal immunization program is providing equitable and efficient immunization services to the all peoples living in their respective districts, and increase the demand and reduces the barriers for people utilizing the immunization services at various levels, and also strengthen the vaccine preventable diseases, and also monitoring the any unwanted effects are giving after immunization by taking adverse events following immunization surveillance systems, and introducing and expanding the new and underutilization vaccines, and development of technology in universal immunization program, and also strengthen the health system of the peoples living in respective districts by giving proper immunization services to the persons to eradicate the polio, measles, maternal and neonatal tetanus elimination at a global level. These are the major objectives of universal immunization program.